Find creative solutions. Seek to achieve without limitations. Bring industrial performance to your desktop. Excellent thermostatic chamber design. IDEX design. Three printing modes. Sealed dry filament box ensures print quality. User-friendly interface. Accurate. Precise. Intelligent. Designed for various industrial applications. Compatible with a wide range of engineering plastics. FUNMAT Pro 310. Scale up your production and enhance your engineering capabilities.